Air conditioning for big buildings. For most buildings, it is, of course, unwise to cool each of your spaces with a separate window unit. Why put a compressor and fan in each room when we might create a more centralized system? A centralized system makes for reduced energy use, fewer pieces of equipment to purchase and maintain, plus fan and compressors are noisy, and the farther we can move them from the occupied spaces, the quieter those spaces will be. Air performs reasonably at carrying cold air, but water is better at heat exchange and does a superior job keeping cold over long distances. For this reason, many buildings, and some campuses or city districts, utilize chilled water. In this regime,